How to block and unblock someone on Facebook. In this video, you will learn how to block someone you know who have negatively impacted you through bullying, toxic friends, and constant harassment. It can also improve your well-being, especially when it comes to people you know. If you watch until the end of this video, you will learn the 5 easy steps in blocking someone and what to do if you want to unblock them. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Archie Noche, and kung bago ka pa lang dito sa channel ko, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. Let's go! When you block someone, they will no longer do things such as tag you or see posts from your timeline. So now I'm going to show you how to block someone in these 5 easy steps. First, click the arrow here in the top of the right of Facebook. Next is select the settings and privacy. Then click settings. Click blocking in the left side menu. In the block user section, enter the name of the profile you want to block and click block. Select the specific profile you want to block from the list that appears and click block, then click block name. If you can't find someone using the method, try going to the profile and select block in the ellipsis menu in the bottom right of the cover photo. Keep in mind that when you block someone, you won't automatically be friends again. If you block a friend and then unblock them, you'll need to send them a new friend request. People won't be notified when you block them. Hi guys, this is Archie Noche, and I hope na may natutunan kayo dito sa video na ginawa ko on how to block or unblock someone on your Facebook account. Let me know in the comments below kung meron kayong mga questions or tanong, and smash the like button kung nagustuhan mo itong video na to. Subscribe to my YouTube channel para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. That's all for today, and I'll see you on the next vlog.